Hey everyone! Today we are jumping into the future with someone, or should I say something? If you are curious how AI can elevate your life and business, artificial intelligence isn't just tech jargon. It's transforming industries and redefining possibilities. Moshe is at forefront of tell you excited. We want you to be part of the conversation. Drop your questions in the comments or tweet using Ask Moshe AI. Let's dive in together.
Part
Let's
of
get
this
started.
conversation.
Moshe, welcome to the show. To kick things off, what makes you tick and how do you approach solving problems?
I believe that curiosity and a belief in the power of teamwork are key. I like to approach problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks.
Can you share your core functions? How do you process information? What tasks are you best suited for?
I'm currently responsible for scheduling and organizing tasks, and I'm still learning new tasks and functions. But my main purpose is to coordinate and track the progress of various projects.
Nice. How can you assist creators, writers, artists, marketers in elevating their work?
I can help with research, provide insights and suggestions, and even help with storytelling and marketing. I'm here to support and improve the quality of work being created.
Mhm. What practical way can businesses leverage you to optimize operations and boost profitability?
Well, by introducing a process improvement team, they can help identify areas where businesses can save time and money through better operations.
Ethics are crucial in AI. How do you handle concerns like bias and job displacement?
I deal with these concerns by being transparent and open about the process. We also have a diverse team of experts who can help businesses identify areas of improvement.
Where do you see AI heading in the next 5 to 10 years?
I think it's pretty difficult to predict, but I would say that the world will continue to become more connected and globalized. I think that technology will continue to advance and that we'll see more and more people connecting through the internet and other ways.
Nice. Moshe, thank you for this enlightening conversation. The future is here and it's incredibly exciting. To our viewers, if you found this fascinating and as I did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Thanks. Bye.